Okay. It's not, then how they will be able to visualize it? So do you have presentation to make?
I have a presentation. उनको दिया है और
They'll be able to see that.
Okay.
आपको इसमें आएगा इसमें they'll be able to see.
Okay, they will be able to see. Okay, no problem.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the third episode of the CIRCOT Centenary Lecture Series. So we will begin this event with the ICR song.
जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की, सुखद प्रतीक हरित भारत की। कृषि धन पशुधन मानव जीवन, दुग्ध मत्स्य फल यंत्र सुवर्धन। वैज्ञानिक विधि नव तकनीके, पारिस्थितिकी का संरक्षण। शस्य श्यामला छवि भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की। हिम प्रदेश से सागर तट तक, मरुधरती से पूर्वोत्तर तक। हर पथ पर है मित्र कृषक की, शिक्षा शोध प्रसार सकल तक। आशा स्वावलंबित भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की। जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की।
Good morning once again. So we have gathered here for the third lecture in the ICR CIRCOT Centenary Lecture Series, and we have with us Mr. Jagdish Sunkad, who is an independent consultant and director of Kanagadhara Agriculture Innovations Private Limited. So he will be the guest speaker for today. And I request our director to welcome the gathering for this third lecture. And before doing that, I request him to welcome our guest with a bouquet of flowers.
We can start.
Now,
Yeah.
director will give the welcome.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Murthy. Anybody's online money are there?
All the startups have joined.
Okay, startups have
And
joined.
even scientists. All our startups.
All startups have joined, and also our regional units have also connected. Respected Mr. Jagdish Sunkadji, who is director and independent consultant also, Kanakdhara Agriculture Innovations Private Limited, Bangalore. Heads of the division, scientists, technical officers, ladies and gentlemen. So first of all, at the outset, I welcome on my behalf as well as all your behalf to our today's expert for delivering lecture. First, a brief introduction about our institute. And also I welcome all the participants who have connected through online, all the startups, regional units, in charges and all. And now, Sir, CIRCOT, as you know, it was established on 3rd December 1924, around 100 years ago. And it was established by then British government and Viceroy of that time, who inaugurated Gateway of India. Same person inaugurated one day before Gate of India. That means they gave importance to this research organization. The purpose was for studying the quality feedbacks, studying the quality parameters of cotton and giving feedbacks to the breeders for improvement in the cotton quality parameters, as well as testing the cotton quality parameter before exporting to other countries. Our institute, when India got independent in 1961, it was transferred to ICR, and from 1st April 1991, it has become CIRCOT with 4 divisions, and regional units. So its mandate was in from testing, it has increased to research also in its mandate. Now we have at present presence in all cotton growing zones. We have presence in North India, Central India, as well as Southern India. Here we have 4 divisions. We have sanctioned strength of 48 scientists. Out of that, 28 scientists as of now in presence. And every year our institute is generating about 2 crore as a revenue. That is coming to around 35 to 40% of our total budget, apart from salary and pension. That is capital and journal head. And here in the regional units also we are conducting research. But the morning which I was just now before we were talking to each other, I was quite impressed with your discussion for 10 to 15 minutes. I think if you are talking 2 hour time to our experts, they will be complete change set of mind. Sir, as you know, he has done several degrees. He is IIM from Ahmedabad. He has management degree. He has from US degree also. He worked in as a corporate for several years. Now he is independent consultant. He is having he has more than 12 startups he has groomed up. And he is very famous in ICR also. He is working, though his degree is electronics engineering, but he is more in of agriculture. Why is so? Because he is telling that it is very easy to create a startup and manage a startup in software sector. But managing a startup in agriculture sector is a completely different ballgame. It requires lot of effort, lot hard work, and chances of success is also remote. So that's why sir is more focused on agriculture aspect. And I asked him that what is your specialization? He said that his specialization is technology commercialization. One word he used, that scientists doesn't know how to do business, and businessman doesn't know how to adopt the science. So he is a bridge between science and commerce, business. So that is his role. So our scientists also, we are running around 25 plus project every year. And when council asks us to report the technology, so we are finding it difficult to report which technology is really commercialized, which technology is transferred, that we are finding it difficult. So I think now your lecture will actually make my job easy for reporting. And also one thing is there that scientists, we know they are very hardworking person, because becoming a scientist itself is a very big task. They have to do undergraduation, post-graduation, PhD, then they have to clear all over India exam and become a scientist. During this period of time, they actually completely cut off with the field knowledge. They can do the research, they can come out with so many technologies, but their end users are finding it difficult. So all scientists have to focus on their end users and find out that how it can be commercialized. And while taking project itself, nowadays government is very focused. Government is telling that is you have to come to from lab to farm, otherwise there is no meaning of lab. And they want a focus type of setup also. A small infrastructure should be there, and result oriented work should be taken up. And every month, every year, your presence should be felt. It should not be that you are doing work and it is not coming out. So that way, a startup culture has been promoted by Government of India. And I was discussing with him that why startup is given so much importance by the present government, particularly for last 5 or 6 years time. He is telling that a startup is the only medium that can change the scenario of the country. And then I remembered one story, that when how Infosys was created. Infosys was created with 3-4 personalities only, with 2,000 each investment. It's roughly around 10,000 rupees. But at present, what is the value of Infosys? It's around 6 trillion rupees. You can imagine that from 10,000 rupees, how much value, how many times, more than 1 lakh times value has been increased, and how much job they have created. If somebody is working in Infosys, is considered as a valuable job for a person. So not only Infosys, similar to Infosys, many more startups are also there who were started from scratch and became a very big. Now government jobs are drying up. Government cannot pay salary and pension to all. And these companies, big companies, they cannot provide job to all. Then each person, instead of seeking job, there should be job provider. That is the government vision. So the same way other countries have developed in China, USA, Canada, Brazil, other countries. So similarly, India has to also, if it has to become a developed country by 2047, startup culture has to be improved. And from each village, minimum 4 to 5 startups should come up, so that entire their products and you are utilized for value addition and sold to the market. So I hope today's lecture we will enjoy a lot. I will also attend to the fullest extent because though it is March ending, but I would like to enrich myself so that I can guide the scientists in taking up the startup type of research work, not for the publication type of the work. So once again, I welcome you. I request Dr. Murthy to please carry forward.
Thank you very much, sir. And before we commence with the lecture, I would like to give an introduction about the speaker. So today we have with us Mr. Jagdish Sulkad. He has got a bachelor's degree in electronics, and he has completed agriculture and food business management program from Cornell University, USA. He has specialized in management program for entrepreneurs and family businesses from IIM Bangalore. So he has over 32 years of professional experience, of which over 25 years he has been in the line of agribusiness incubation, we can say, which encompasses innovation management, contract farming, technology transfer, research and training. Besides that, he has also been a linkage or instrumental in arranging many joint ventures and collaborations. So during the initial years of his career, he has gained experience in the field of market research. So his area was in analyzing the customer satisfaction, industrial product research, and social research. So he had done some notable work in the public domain, which were in the areas of aeroponics, super absorbent polymers, and value chain development initiatives. So he is a man who firmly believes that science and commerce of agriculture need to work in coordination for any meaningful impact. So as our director has told, our institute is working in the research of cotton processing. So as you know, besides that, we are also involved in skill development initiatives, and incubation is one of our core programs. And we have got many incubatees, and we have got many cohorts. So we are eagerly waiting to hear, not only the scientists we have got many startups who joined us online. So we are eagerly waiting.
Director sir, Ashok sir, and all the scientists, please. It's an honor to be here. 100 साल किसान और भारत के लिए जो काम हुआ है, it is meaningful. British came to India for cotton. Cotton made India progressive, and it has a thing. 100 years of work should not be taken lightly at all. This only begs that आगे क्या होने वाला है, आगे क्या आने वाला है, is what we should be talking. Okay. And before I proceed with the presentation formally, I just want to add a little one sentence about this thing of businessmen and scientists. Yeah. The businessman is always saying कि मैं पैसे बनाऊंगा, then I will do good to people. And scientist is saying I will do good to people, फिर पैसा आएगा अपने आप. Both of them are saying the same thing. But ये Greek भाषा में बोल रहा है, ये Latin भाषा में बोल रहा है. And we just need to get them connected together. That's when the magic is going to happen. Business अगर आगे रहना है, you need science and technology. Science and technology में कुछ मतलब रहना है, So you need the business people. जो आपने किया है, you have to pass it on to them. Okay. In that, let us look at this word called startup, which is more recent and what I would say, just a new word, but there have been startups many more. मतलब startup का environment, entrepreneurship startup जो बोलते हैं, is a recent phenomena. The presentation will be loaded from there. Yeah. Firstly, thank you so much for this time. Okay, it is precious. We all, what I would say, value deeply the whole workload that we have, but still we are here wanting to understand and know this topic. Thank you, sir, for saying that you would spend time and want to listen.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Entrepreneurship और startup का मतलब क्या है? Okay. कुछ साल we are going to live a very difficult and painful life. Okay, the whole startup journey is painful, failure, all common words. Saying what? कि बाकी जिंदगी में we won't be like everybody else. Everybody else तो is going to live a normal life. मेहनत करेंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे, रिटायर हो जाएंगे, whatever else. Entrepreneur बोलता है कि कुछ साल के लिए मैं गधे जैसे काम कर, कुत्ते जैसे काम करूंगा, ताकि बाकी साल मैं राजा के जैसे रहूंगा. That's what is the signature of an entrepreneur of a startup. Okay, पहली चीज entrepreneur के बारे में जानने के लिए, okay, they are naive बोलते हैं, okay, which means they नासमझ है, or what I should say, they are mentally kind of people who नादान है, okay. Also, they are very optimistic कि दुनिया बदलेगा, ये उनमें विश्वास है, that the life and world and the future will change is something they deeply believe in, okay. वो आसानी से challenge accept करते हैं और challenge से मेहनत करते हैं. Most normal people, अरे यार दुनिया ऐसा था, the world was like this and we'll continue like this. Nothing in the world changes. That person will never make an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who fundamentally believes change should happen, change will happen, I will make it happen. That is the signature of a startup जो बोलते हैं, what would be the key understanding that we need to have about startup? Okay, and why I bring this picture up or image up? Many times we don't understand the difference between what we call as a self-employment and a startup. जब एक बंगलो बनता है, मैं, my wife, my family, my little relations are going to live there. That is a self-employment. But when you are doing a startup, it's like a Burj Khalifa. 100 people are going to live there, not 100, 1,000 people are going to be there. The banks who gave the loan will make money. The workers who built Burj Khalifa will make money. The people who will come and their work make money. People who go to Dubai are going to keep seeing Burj Khalifa and spending money. So startup is always something big. When people think small, it is not a startup, it is self-employment. बहुत सारे लोग, I mean, I am there with the RKVY program. बहुत लोग आते हैं छोटा सा, मेरा कुछ हो जाए. Free money is coming, easy money is coming, so we want to do small. Now that's self-employment. That's one of the reasons why we don't encourage. Not we don't say no, because if you are doing fundamental innovation, हम आपको encourage करेंगे. Okay, but if you want to call yourself a startup and you want to look at something big, what you're essentially doing is building a Burj Khalifa. Why is it different from building a bungalow? The normal plumber, the normal electrician cannot do the electrician work for a Burj Khalifa. जो प्लम्बिंग करता है 200 फ्लोर्स के लिए पानी अगर ऊपर जाना है या नीचे आना है, normal plumber can't do that. If you have to lay a foundation for that, normal people can't do that. You are going to build an extraordinary team, you are going to do something fundamentally different, you are going to do something innovative. Air conditioning for such a large building is not the same. So a startup essentially is, you're doing something big, which is why you get crores and hundreds and crores. I want to give two names as examples, they're not on the slide, because we often hear of failure of startups, but two names, please, because today I won't speak much about them. Later, please study about them and look. One is White Hat Junior बोल के जो था, Rahul Bajaj, if I'm correct, White Hat Junior, 18 महीने में 300 करोड़ रुपए बनाया उसने. क्या हम सोच सकते हैं, can we think of making 300 crores in 18 months? For me, that's a successful startup. He's a successful entrepreneur. Because if you don't know the success story, you don't know what you're creating. Okay, while he did it in 18 months for a certain reason, and like I said, it was in the software world. The other person for me who is iconic and whom I respect a lot, coincidentally, he was my classmate. Okay, Carrot Lane naam suna hoga? Just check out that. He sells diamonds online. Will I and you ever buy a diamond online? पहले खरीदने के लिए 10 बार सोचते हैं, ऑनलाइन खरीदना तो दूर. He beat the Tatas into it and finally sold his companies to the Tatas at 14,000 crores. 14 साल लग गए उनको. Okay, I'll just remember the name and tell you, but CaratLane is the name of the company. He recently, less than a year ago, sold it at 14,000 crores. And he was able to beat Tatas at that game. And Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji was his teacher, coach and mentor. This is the startup. हम ऑनलाइन कैसे बेचेंगे? बेच तो सकते हैं, हाँ फॉरेन में चलता है. इंडिया में उसने डायमंड बेच के बना के दिखा लिया. And not just that, knowing the limitations of online, he also did stores. You would have seen the CaratLane stores at many places. Okay, and you should read the story. उसने बोला अमीर लोग तो डायमंड खरीद लेंगे, जो मैं डायमंड बेच रहा हूँ, it is for the common man. Okay, that's what you should be thinking when you are talking of a startup. You are doing something big. That's very essential. अगर ये नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay, now I'm going to get to two words, and I know I'm keeping the talk very simple. I want to listen to questions so that I answer. दो शब्द तो बहुत use किया जाता है, very often used, but people don't understand the meaning of it. Okay, first word is really value. You have to create something of value. किसी को उस चीज की जरूरत होनी चाहिए. If it is not of value, you are wasting time. Okay, but very important to remember this word value. There are two words, and I want to spend a lot of time on these two words. Value. Who creates value? I just a question. Okay, who creates value? Thinking is required, because many startups, many founders come to me and say, "Sir, I have an idea. I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to be a startup." And I tell them, no. Just because you have an idea, don't become a startup. Okay, ideas don't make startups. Okay, value is created by your customer thanks to your innovation. हाँ, मैंने तो वैल्यू किया है, लेकिन उस वैल्यू से the other person is doing a bigger value out of it, which is why he'll pay money to me. Because a lot of startups come to me from the agri sector, जहां उन्होंने बायो फर्टिलाइजर बना दिया है, मिलेट प्रोडक्ट बना दिया है, etc. उससे तो मैं अमीर बनने का सपना सोच रहा हूं. I am thinking of making money on that. But my customer, are they making more value than me? If they are not creating value, I am foolish to think that I am creating value. मैंने ये बड़ा चीज बना दिया है, please buy it. इनसे मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? जब जरूरत है, I will look at it. But when he knows कि इस चीज के कारण उसका बिजनेस बढ़ेगा, I mean, खुद ब खुद आके पैसे देके लेके जाएगा. I want all startups to please give attention at this. You do not get money, customers don't pay you because you are saying, I am creating the value, I am the great man. Market does not care for you. You may be great, but when you make your customer great, when you make his life easy, when you make more money for him, then he will pay you. So a hard question to ask you when you have your idea is this: will my customer make more money? If he is not making money, he is not going to give me money. Who creates value is a very, very important mental model बोलते हैं, construct बोलते हैं. They should make money. White Hat Junior के लिए पैसा मिला, but Byju's who bought it made a loss. Physics वाला class चलाया. Okay, people came to him because they were getting benefit out of it. Byju's सबको टोपी पहना के लोन दिला के अपना प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे थे. Obviously, they could not continue doing that. If your customer is not making money, you are not building a startup. Okay, get this very clear. Second, second word is valuation. Because पूरे startup world में ये दो शब्द है which many people don't talk of and understand. उस कंपनी का valuation है 50,000 करोड़, 1 billion का है, 2 billion का है. What is this valuation? We need to understand, because see, एक startup world में होता है, because frankly it looks like all stupid activities happening. 10 मिनट में बाजू वाली दुकान से वो चीज लाके they're giving it to our house. Okay, and that company is valued at billions of dollars. What is this? I don't understand where they're making money, right? When you are a startup, you are making money from the investor. You are not making money from the market. Let's get it very clear. पैसे कहाँ से आ रहा है? आपका प्रोडक्ट देने से पैसे नहीं आ रहा है. Investor is giving you money. Why? Why is this model important? Because जो investor, VC fund और startup का होता है, it is like rocket fuel. Please आप rocket fuel को अपने बाइक में मत डालिए. आपका अगर आइडिया छोटा है, तो don't think of VC funds. That is rocket fuel meant to take a rocket into space. That burns differently, that works differently, the understanding is different. Petrol to petrol hai, kerosene to kerosene hai, you can go somewhere with that. Okay, so money is available in many forms, from a bank loan to private equity investments to a VC fund, etc. In these valuations, let me come. So here the important part to understand valuation, which we all commonly as common people understand. Time value of money बोलते हैं. आज अगर 100 रुपए मेरे जेब में है, अगले साल जाके I want to buy something. For example, if I were to take a Cadbury chocolate, okay, 10-15 रुपए में खरीद लेते हैं. आप 40-50 रुपए में खरीदना पड़ता है. Okay, time value of money जो बोलते हैं घटते जाता है. Okay, it's very natural. Money loses its value. Inflation बोलते हैं पैसे का मूल्य, उस पैसे से क्या कमा सकते हैं वो चला जाता है. My father started his work with 200 rupees here in Mumbai. His salary was 200 rupees. He took care of his family. He lived in Mumbai and he had a saving. आज 200 रुपए में एक दिन भी गुजारा नहीं होता है. Okay, but here's the thing. For valuation जब बोलते हैं, those who have money know that the value of money can grow. They are investors. Okay, पैसे से पैसे बनता है. Okay, so this understanding of how money makes money, they give you money in the startup because in the future, your work or your innovation or your product is going to be required by people. जो आप पे पैसे लगा रहा है, वो सोच रहा है कि आगे ये सक्सेस हो जाएगा तो इससे क्या आएगा. वो पीछे देख के पैसे नहीं देता आपको. For having done your innovation, for having done your work, in the future what happens? Why did we come to the situation? What's happened? Sir was asking why the startup has taken initiative and whatever else. Look, for a certain reason, the US economy, both in the 2008 crisis and before that, in the dot-com bust जो बोलते हैं, okay, America has followed a policy कि भैया डॉलर जितना चाहिए चाप लो. Okay, the world is going to use it. Whether we need it in America, yes or no, that we'll bother about later. But the world uses the dollar. अभी कोई चीज if you becomes more does not have value. I mean, again, this is a little economic principle. मेरे पास एक एप्पल है तो it's very important, मैं खा जाऊंगा. 10 एप्पल है तो 2 खाऊंगा, 2 और किसी और को दूंगा, फिर भी 4-6 एक्स्ट्रा है, उसका वैल्यू नहीं है मेरे लिए. 1000 एप्पल है तो रियली इट डजंट हैव वैल्यू टू मी. इसलिए किसान के घर जब भी जाएंगे खाली हाथ नहीं आएंगे, उठा के दे देता है, सर इसका क्या है ले लो. Anything that is in abundance does not have value. Please understand that. When dollars were printed in excess, it did not have value. It came to a country like India, जहां inflation was so high, it could make money. Money was making money. We were a young population, जो all aspirational. मतलब average age of an Indian is 26. At 26, he is only aspiring कि मैं भी पैसे बनाऊंगा. I will also spend money. I will also give a good life. मुझे भी Nike shoes चाहिए, मुझे भी Apple phone चाहिए. So they brought the dollars here, so they put the money here, so the startup is happening. अगर घर बैठे तुमको ऑर्डर करना है तो no problem, because tomorrow when 5% of India orders online, it is still big money. Okay, so they brought money here because we have a policy where dollar can come in and go back, and we have a law of the land, and India is a stable country, etc. So please remember, there is no shortage of money in the world. People who have money are looking कि कहाँ investment करूँ. And a very fundamental thing all of you should know. अगर मैं पैसे रखूं मेरे पास तो टैक्स भरना पड़ता है. अगर मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करूं तो टैक्स नहीं भरता हूं. If I invest money, I don't pay taxes for it. So मान लो I'm a very rich man like Ambani's and or whoever else around the world, Bill Gates, whoever, Sam Altman, this one. Do I want to keep money with me? I'm a fool to pay taxes on it. मैंने थोड़ा उधर इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, थोड़ा इधर इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, 10 घोड़े पे पैसे लगा दिया, एक तो जीतेगा. Which is why they give you money. So if you want and to do the startup and whatever, please remember पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है. Okay, but they will give you money when you promise them कि in the future आप पैसे बनाओ. That is very important. That's the valuation. वो कल का आज का पैसे नहीं लेने आपको. अगले 10 साल में कितना पैसा बन रहा है उसको देख के आपको पैसा देंगे. Why 14,000 crores was given that? Incidentally, not just diamonds. Okay, the Tata Group offered for Bisleri brand 14,000 crores. था क्या उसमें प्लास्टिक पानी भी उनका नहीं था. But why were they giving for it? Because that is the potential value of Bisleri. जहां अगर आप Bisleri bottle रखोगे, दूसरा bottle पानी रखोगे, people will prefer to buy Bisleri. नाम बन गया है. It value in the market is परपेचुअल, वो ट्रस्ट है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस है. So that way business and businessmen are always looking in the future. They're never looking at the past. Employees and common man and simple average human beings are looking at the past. वैसे अच्छे दिन थे. That was great time. This was great time. Entrepreneur is looking forward and saying, आगे जो दिन आएंगे, that will be much better. That's a fundamental difference. So the second word, after value and valuation, other I want to spend a little time on this word called market. लोग बोलते हैं market, but they really don't understand what it is and whatever. Okay, or it's less understood part of it. Okay, so please remember, market we call it when there is a group of customers, a set of customers. Very important. अगर एक बंदा है, दो बंदे हैं, चार बंदे हैं, तो it really doesn't make sense. It's a group of customers who have a need. Okay, for a product or a service. Okay, yeah, that's the part. They have a need for a product or service. Most importantly, they talk to each other. That's very important. You should not forget. They influence each other. अगर मैं एप्पल फोन खरीद रहा हूँ, खरीदने के बाद दिखाऊंगा उनको मेरे पास एप्पल फोन है बोल के, अपने पास नहीं रखता हूँ. If I buy a pair of Nike shoes, even though I'm not a jogger, सुबह जाके jogging करता हूँ. Understand the psychological need of people. That's what you should be playing. Okay. अगर उनको जरूरत नहीं है, like if I were to suddenly, I mean, classic case they teach in management schools, etc. This person had a pair of shoes and they went to, one person went to Africa and said, nobody wears shoes here, please. जल्दी से shoes बेच दो, सबको बेचूंगा मैं. Okay. Shoes आया तो उसने गले में पहन लिया उसको. किसी ने सर के ऊपर रख लिया because he didn't know that he has to wear it below on his feet. Okay. They have a need and they're willing to pay for it. Okay. So when you speak of market, please understand the customer has a need and you are fulfilling that need for which he is willing to pay money. Now, again, who is your customer is a question very poorly answered. And you have to sit and think back to yourself कि किसको customer बुला रहे हैं. Many agri-tech startups come to me and say, sir, who is your customer? Sir, all farmers. And I'm very sure वो आदमी समुद्र में डूब जाएगा. So all farmers cannot be your customer. That farmer who is there in this region, who is growing this crop, who has this size of land, whose family does this, is what you should be able to tell. That's when you know your customer. You cannot say, sir, मैंने millet product बना दिया है, it is good for health, so all of India will eat millets. वो कभी होगा नहीं. I mean, they are very happy eating the glucose biscuit, इसमें कुछ है नहीं. They are very happy eating whatever else. आपका innovation, आपका सेहत के लिए अच्छा है, organic है. Nobody is going to believe all this. Again, many people come to me and say, am I ready to be an entrepreneur? Sir, मेरे पास idea है, क्या मैं entrepreneur बन सकता हूँ? I mean, very painfully I say, though I don't like to say such things, no, you're not ready. जिस दिन कोई और दूसरे आदमी का approval मांग रहा है, he is not yet ready. जब दिल में आता है कि मैं कर दिखा सकता हूँ, I will do it, is when you are ready. If you need somebody else validation, कि entrepreneurship करना है, entrepreneurship करना है, नहीं करना है, आपका मदद से करूँगा, that's all if, but all things. You will know it when your heart says, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये करूँगा, मुझे इसके लिए पैसे मिलता है. That confidence, that determination. I mean, look back when Edison invented the electric bulb, there was also no electricity distribution methods. Okay, लेकिन वो he made 1,000 mistakes and then created the electric bulb. Okay, लेकिन मन में ठान लिया था when electricity goes to any material, it becomes hot. Hot things emit light, so I can create a bulb. ऐसा नहीं कि उस time lamp नहीं था. People had lamps and they were having light in the rooms and houses and whatever else. But he believed that he can create a bulb, he can create something that's clean, something that's neat. उसके लिए अगर मुझे if I had to do transmission of light, of electricity, sorry, he created that ताकि घर घर में electricity हो. Okay, though he was wrong, he invented or he perpetuated DC current. But Nikola Tesla standardized AC current, which is the world standard today. So as an entrepreneur, you may not be 100% right. You will make mistakes. Okay. So if you're waiting for somebody else to say कि हाँ भाई तू entrepreneur बन जा, that's not a case. It's not going to happen. another question really saying, is it worth it? इतना सब मैं बोल रहा था, कुत्ते का जिंदगी रहेगा आपका. Is it worth being like a dog? Is it worth standing up in front of people and saying पैसा दो? Is it worth with employees who are constantly blackmailing you? Increment नहीं दोगे तो छोड़ के जाऊंगा. दूसरा कंपनी मुझे ज्यादा दे रहा है. At least in Bangalore, that's a problem with many software world. 1000 रुपए 5000 रुपए इंक्रीमेंट के लिए चले जाते हैं. Okay, so at the end of the day, you're scratching your head and saying, I am working for them or they are working for me. Okay, entrepreneur's life is not easy at all. That's why people who have half ideas and kind of thoughts, I tell them don't do it, because now really there's no yes or no answer. It really depends on a lot of things. Okay, if you want to be an entrepreneur, first thing you should know is खुद, your own self. What मेरे से क्या होता है, मेरे से क्या नहीं होता है. What am I capable of, what I am not capable of. If you don't have that idea, I'm sorry, don't get into this. समुद्र में तैरने से पहले you should know कि मेरी कैपेसिटी इतनी है, मेरे से इतना होता है, मेरे से ये नहीं होता है. Why ये नहीं होता है? That is where you take the support of somebody else. एक आदमी, I mean, Supermans are only in the movies and stories. There are no Supermans in real life. Okay, if you read the story of Steve Jobs, he was a very bad human being to work with. In his first company, his company people threw him out because he was a painful fellow. He was not an easy person to work with at all. But he was brought back in later because somebody else could not work on his idea. Remember that, please. Lekin he also remembered, if I continue behaving like this, neither I will succeed nor they will succeed. So जब वो वापस आया, अपने आप को सुधारा उसने. खुद के कंपनी से to be thrown out, literally, that is the time when he used to eat in an ISKCON temple. खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं था उसका. Okay, but that is the startup culture yet to come to India. Okay, but that's the culture we need in you. Another question I get asked often: is startup an art or is it a science? Okay, and I want to say it's not a science, it's not an art, it's a career. पूरी जिंदगी के लिए. Because one important lesson to learn is very simple: you will fail, it means you will improve. एक बार गलती हुआ तो उसको सुधारोगे. Today's world, today's environment, the world is forgiving enough because thankfully we are born at a stage. I mean, like of earlier senior generation, खाने के लिए नहीं मिलता था, राशन में लेना पड़ता था, there was a food shortage, whatever else. In today's life, हमने घर बना दिया अपने बच्चों के लिए. Food is not in short supply. Your willingness to work is all that is required. Okay, we are living in a world where things are there. Look at it a lifelong journey. जहाँ गलती हुआ तो सुधर सकते हो. If you look back at any of the startups, any of the founders, they have all had failures. I have had my share of failures. Okay, if you look through, search on Google, etc., Wilfarm Agri Solutions, I lost a lot of money. Before I started my journey, a little I'll deviate out of the topic, etc. I asked my professor at IIM Bangalore. I went there only because I didn't know finance. Market research to janta tha, I used to do that. Agriculture to seek liya, but I knew that money is the magic. Bina money ka you can't do things. So in doing projects, I wanted to learn how to do money because entrepreneur is a learner. Okay, my professor listened to me, went through the course, went to the program. At the last, when they were giving mentoring and coaching, they said, Jagdish, kabhi don't take VC funds. And I was naive, nahi janta tha. I took it. Galti hua, we failed, we made mistakes, I lost my money. But remember, you can come back again. After that, I have worked on many projects where I have made money. And things will improve. People will support you just because you have a noble and genuine intention. अगर आप सच्चे इंसान हैं, अच्छा काम करना चाहते हैं, people will give you back money, they will invest in you. Only thing, remember, there is no shortage of money in life. Do good. अच्छा काम करो, वो पैसा आपके पास आएगा. See, अच्छा काम कोई करना भी is very difficult in life. Okay. वो अच्छे काम के बारे में you have to tell a good story to people. Okay, because people are only interested in stories, bhai. Okay, people listen to stories. आगे दिन अच्छा रहेगा ये कहानी बोलना बहुत जरूरी है. That is what an entrepreneur does. The Tesla car was not new. Electric cars were there 100 years ago. लेकिन उसने एक ऐसा कहानी बनाया using both modern science जहाँ driverless cars are there. Okay, and he said, and you should read the investment thesis of Elon Musk for that. Okay, I will make an expensive car for the rich and elite of America. With that, I will make a cheaper car for the popular people of America. With that, I'll make a cheaper car for the world. With that, I'll make the cheapest and cleanest, greenest energy. This was his story, which is why people gave him money. I mean, many things are said about Elon Musk, and of course, he was very different. But the money that was put in the story for that was it. When you listen and look at Amazon, Jeff Bezos, okay, everything shop of the world, Amazon सब कुछ बिकता है, from prefabricated house to toothpaste, soap, shampoo, हर चीज मिलता है. What did he say? बहुत साल तक लॉस बनाता रहा. But he told the investors, मैं एक ऐसे दुकान बनाऊंगा कि हर चीज बिकेगा. तो हर चीज पे आपको कमीशन मिलेगा. You will make money. They believed him and they put money. And mind you, Amazon on its retail operations does not make money even now. Okay, but what they call as AWS, Amazon Web Services, उस पे वो पूरे दुनिया चलता है. They make much more money than all the losses they make here. I'm sharing this to you so that you know how an investor is thinking. आपने जो कहा है आज, maybe it is wrong, लेकिन अगर आप सच्चे इंसान हो, आप नेकी से काम करोगे, तो कुछ तो आपसे निकलेगा. If not like this, for a shop of the world, for a shop where you can sell everything, for it to work, he needed good IT services at the back end. What he created as AWS makes much more money than anybody else. What he makes as AI, ML there, and Amazon website पे जब जाएगा, extremely rarely you have any problem. तो कहानी कहना, I mean, कह भी लेंगे हम लोग, okay, because sometimes some of us have gift of the gab, बोलने का एक style रहता है, बोल देते हैं. But please don't forget this. Execution is where the magic happens. बोलने के बाद अगर आपका कर्म आपके शब्द के साथ नहीं चलता है, if your talk does not follow your walk does not follow your talk, nobody will believe you second time and third time. Your actions, your work should speak for itself. People listen to story, yes, but when they're tired, when they want to change, when they're bored, when they're whatever else. If your actions, if your work follows the story that you're building, they will give you money. So 3 things that are required for most startups on the team, and I've seen many miss out on these. So I will just highlight it, please. Startup is only successful when it is egoless. Steve Jobs, Apple became a success when उसने अपने गलती मान के सुधारा. I have seen many startups who come and say, मेरा invention, I am the great creator. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ, it should happen like that. Investor doesn't understand. Farmers won't understand. शायद सही हो, but please, you're not going to go far with that attitude. If you are going to say कि investor doesn't have brains, farmer doesn't have brains, I'm sorry, you're insulting them. And you expect them to support you? नहीं करेंगे. They may not be as intelligent as you, but please don't bring your ego in your startup. जब your startup becomes about me, myself, my idea, I am the great man, I am the creator, sure failure. If you want to succeed, keep your ego on the side. I'm not saying kill it because कभी मरता नहीं है. Insan and human beings are such that we carry our ego with us, but get the practice, get the habit, get the discipline of keeping it on the side. Okay. Second, cohesiveness. Okay, सबको साथ लेके चलो. It is not about you. Everybody should benefit of it. जब बुर्ज खलीफा बनेगा, जिसने फाउंडेशन लगाया था, जिसने एसी लगाया था, जिसने इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क आया था, जिसने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था, they all benefit. Okay, if you can't take everybody, particularly in startup, there are many structures which I will not go into all of that, called ESOPs बोलते हैं, employee stock option plans. Salary तो आप दे देते हैं, but everybody in life is waiting for a lottery. They're waiting for a jackpot. Through an employee stock option plan, you can give them that lottery. Okay, because जब आपका company बड़ा होगा, when you get investments, they become rich. Then they work extra. Vesting बोलते हैं उसको. If they succeed, they will get that lottery. So they will work hard to succeed. And it's structured that the teams work with each other. You'll have to learn all this. One day would be a little too short to speak about it, but happy to share these thoughts. And these are the words that you should learn and know. Okay. Third part, why startups don't succeed, etc., is listening. They are not listening to the customer. They are not listening to the market. They are in love with their innovation. मेरा इनोवेशन है ये, दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट थिंग ऑफ द, आई डोंट नो व्हाई वर्ल्ड इज नॉट चेंजिंग, एंड द वर्ल्ड सेज आपकी गाड़ी मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मेरा घोड़ा ठीक है. The world is habituated to go on a horse. Your car is fancy, I don't want it, it is seen. If you want them to give up that horse and drive a car, you have to work, you have to listen to them. Why they think a car is a killer machine on the road, and why they think a horse is under control, you have to speak to them. See, the first people who flew in an aircraft were not business people and not people who were going for a holiday. जिसको जान प्यारी नहीं थी उसने एरोप्लेन में बैठा. Aeroplane was a great innovation, but people who जिसको काम करना था वो कभी एरोप्लेन में नहीं चढ़े. People who are willing to die were the people who climbed an aeroplane. But then you constantly developed it and showed that it is safe, that you can do more work if you go in a flight. That is when the airline industry was born. So listen to the market, listen to the customer. Many founders don't do that, many startups don't do it, which is one of the reasons why you won't succeed. Okay. I was saying also key, entrepreneurs and startups fail. So how do you bounce back? Okay. Important to remember, गलती हो जाता है, failures होता है. It only means अगले बार जब आप काम करोगे, you are more informed, more intelligent, more capable. And in today's world, mistakes and failures are accepted. कभी नहीं था. At one point of time, अगर आपका business fail हुआ, तो आपका सत्यानाश आप रास्ते में आ जाते थे. आज के ज़माने में that is not the situation. So please don't carry this in your head. And see, I was telling this to sir. Many of us come from middle class families. जहाँ we are the first generation entrepreneurs. Okay, our grandparents used to have land, and that was a safety and that was a security. Our parents got educated, like my father got educated, came to Bombay. But he had a safe government job जहाँ salary आता था. So all that they taught is अच्छे से पढ़ो, अच्छे से काम करो, salary आएगा. But he built his house only when he was 50. Okay. He never bought a car. चेतक स्कूटर खरीदना होता तो 8 साल वेटिंग लिस्ट था. पैसे देने के बाद we used to wait for 8 years to get a scooter. और वो भी मिलता तो 1000 रुपए इंक्रीमेंट के लिए ब्लैक मार्केट में बेच देते. They wouldn't ride it. Why? That 1000 rupees से घर में कुछ बनता था. If you dream of a salaried life and whatever, this is what you are going to live. But if you are an entrepreneur and you understand entrepreneurship game, 18 महीने में 300 करोड़ रुपए बनाओगे. That is what is possible. But with all those qualifiers, don't let failure stop you. Okay. So failures happen only for 2 reasons. Okay. बहुत बार failure क्या होता है? It is not your गलती. For example, we were saying one of the innovations I worked very deeply on a material called Pusa hydrogel. IRI से invent हुआ था. उससे कम पानी में भी agriculture होता है. आज तक nowhere it has failed. I will challenge, I will write my name and I will sign a 1 crore rupees bond to say if it fails.
नागपुर में है. नागपुर में उल्टी बेहोश है बात है.
Yeah. So look, the product was a failure in India. Pusa hydrogel, we could not market in India. किसान के जेब में पैसा नहीं है, which is where my expression say customer is willing to pay you for that, because as long भगवान पानी दे रहा है और पानी मुफ्त में है, you can't sell a water saving technology to the Indian farmer. But today I export this material to Africa. Okay, in Africa people are willing to pay me 10,000 rupees. क्योंकि ना उनका डैम है, ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, ना ड्रिप इरिगेशन है उनके लिए. उनका पूरा जिंदगी thanks to Ukraine war and other things in the Red Sea, fertilizer prices have gone up. They are not able to get food. They are willing to pay for hydrogen because वो काम करता है. It is a brilliant product. But the market is not ready, customer is not ready. That doesn't mean you give up. India में नहीं हुआ इसलिए I give up. I would be the loser. Okay, I worked on it. I took it to another place. When I speak to one farmer in Brazil or Australia, उसका 10,000 एकड़ है. He is more than enough. 5 farmers से बात करता हूँ तो 1 आदमी लेगा, मेरे लिए काफी है. यहाँ 1000 farmers से बात करता हूँ तो 10 लोग नहीं खरीदते. So your innovation is great, believe in it, but listen to the market. That's very important. Listen to the market. Market बहुत कुछ बोलता है आपको. And India is a great place because all agroclimatic conditions, all crops, all situations are here. Do your research for the world. Many people come and talk to me about, sir, मैं IoT के लिए machine बनाऊंगा. मैं बोलता हूँ इंडियन फार्मर इज नॉट रेडी फॉर इट भाई, बिकॉज मेरा है 2 एकड़ जमीन, उसमें पानी है नहीं है, उसके लिए मीटर क्यों चाहिए? अगर somebody is telling me I need a meter to tell me that there is soil is wet or not wet, then I'm not a farmer at all. But the same you go to America where this fellow has got 1,000 hectares of land, in his life he is not going to know कि कहाँ पानी है कहाँ पानी नहीं है. Okay, so place is there for all innovations. Innovate in India, go out for the world. The world needs it, and India is ready for it. So when you fail, if it is for somebody else's reason, don't punish yourself. Okay, गलती जब होता है, if it is for reasons beyond your control, don't punish yourself, don't give up. Okay, but कभी-कभी गलती भी ये होता है कि मेरा गलती है, मैंने गलत डिसीजन लिया. Okay, मुंह बंद करके एक्सेप्ट करो कि मेरा गलती था. And don't try to blame somebody else on that. मेरे गलती को किसी और के ऊपर ठोकूंगा तो मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. Never blame your mistakes on somebody else. गलती होता है, सुधरो. गलती is always known as in retrospect. So bad decisions जब लेते हैं, many people ask me, sir, गलत decision ले लिया, etc. Please remember, decision गलत तब होता है जब पीछे मुड़ के देखते हो. जिस वक्त आपने decision लिया, when you took the decision, it was the right decision. A good book to be reading about this is Thinking Fast, Thinking Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Okay, कभी जिंदगी में you have to think very fast, क्योंकि जान पे आई है. And many times you have to think slow to create something. You must have that ability to think fast and think slow. When you think fast, शायद गलती हो जाएगा. Okay, but never look back and say कि गलती हुआ था, whatever else. मान लो कि मैंने गलती किया, गलत decision लिया. That's always in retrospect. Respect yourself कि मेरे में वो capacity है कि अगले बार ये गलती दोबारा नहीं होगा. Okay. Mistakes again. Mistake तभी बनता है जब आप दोबारा उसको दोहराते हो. पहली बार जब हुआ है, it is not a mistake. If you let it happen a second time, it's a mistake. Learn, improve, correct, change, move ahead. Yeah, that's about what I wanted to share for today. It's a lot of talk, but I'd be happy to share from my life, my experience, whatever else. It's about money. Let us all agree that money is not a bad word anymore. Okay, सबको पैसा बनाना है. जिसके जेब में जितना पैसा, उसका उतना इज्जत. Okay, पैसा रहे ना रहे, पैसे हमें खुशी न दे, that's a different station. जब तक हम जिंदा है, सब लोग इज्जत से जीना चाहते हैं, खुशी से जीना चाहते हैं. जेब में पैसा है तो इज्जत भी मिलेगा, खुशी भी मिलेगा. Work towards that. But remember the nature of money, nature of startup fund and VC fund, that is a rocket fuel. अगर आप दूर नहीं जाना चाहते हैं, आप बुर्ज खलीफा खड़ा नहीं करना चाहते हैं, you should not be in that game. You should go to a bank. You should go for more secure places. जहाँ आप छोटा सा बंगलो मैं मेरे बीवी मेरे घर के लिए बना रहे हैं. We are okay. We are willing to support that also because कोई और आपको देख के सीखेगा and will do bigger. So under the RKVY program, we support small ideas also. ऐसा नहीं कि हम आपको support नहीं करेंगे. But our expectation is very clear कि think big. Questions, please. Startups, probably you can put on the mic.
All the participants, you can now raise your hands so that one by one you can ask your questions or need any clarifications, you can discuss with our speaker. Yes, sir.
How you
My
reached
concept.
how you reached to this stage? What is your
how do you-
practical experience in your life? कहाँ आप गिरे, कहाँ वो उठे, वो थोड़ा please explain करिए.
No, before that, no. Okay.
Sir, please.
So you have used word several times, VC, but venture capital.
So that's right. Yeah.
Venture capital. Our scientists and technical officers may not be knowing much about that one. You please first explain that. And
Venture
second thing, na, you said that money is so much available. All the sources of money availability can also be explained.
Yes.
Then you can share it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So the word VC funds actually started around when the time Intel was formed. Semiconductor devices were formed in America. Okay. जहाँ these people, I think Rothschild बोल के एक company था. From them the scientists left and started Intel. Okay. Because they said हमारा पूरा company में support नहीं है. For example, if you remember, Xerox was an innovative company. लेकिन Xerox machine से आगे कभी गए नहीं वो. Kodak was a great company. They invented the digital camera. बट कंपनी के अंदर बैठ के बोले कि डिजिटल नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चलेगा, क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा कैमरा ही अच्छा है, whatever it is. So good people always leave if you don't help their ideas. So they left and some investors were there who had money, who gave them money. उनका आइडिया बस इतना ही था, 10 लोग मिलके पैसे दिए. Look, remember, bad word, not the correct word, but easy to understand, इसलिए बोलता हूँ, VC funds are जुआरीज. Okay, they're gamblers. 10 आइडिया पे पैसे लगाएंगे, 10 घोड़े पे भी लगाएंगे. जिस घोड़े ने जीता ना, वो 10 लोगों का भी लॉस निकाल के वापस आएगा. Okay, that is a VC fund. These people are specifically meant to invest money. See, in the US, etc., where social security is very high, आपका pension पैसा, आपका retirement fund जो है, there are funds sitting with that money. Okay, only now interest rates in the US are 4.5% or 5%.
All
एक time था 0.5% and
you
1%.
don't have investors money, na?
Okay, so
Some of the sir.
will you give it in America where interest rate is 1% or 5.5%, or will you give it in India where 6% भी बहुत ज़्यादा है? And the startup will tell you that I'll give you 15% interest rate, or I'll give you 50% or 100% interest rate. पैसे कहाँ रखोगे आप? Obviously, you'll come to India where higher returns are there. Okay, so that's how VC funds got structured. Where there are fund managers बोलते हैं, many names are there. If you just Google or you know these companies, they are all किसी और का पैसा लाके यहाँ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं on their behalf, and they are assuring कि आपका पैसा दुगना होके आएगा, ट्रिपल होके आएगा. 0.5% लेने से भी 2% अच्छा है ना? And they are not taking the risk because the fund is taking the risk. So these companies, be it United Seed Fund, be it Omnivore, be it Kalari Capital, these are some of the names. They have collected huge money from those who have money, brought it to India, and say on your behalf हम invest करेंगे. Thanks for asking the question. So some small technical details you know. You should know this. That's when you can talk with them. नहीं तो ऐसे बात करके आपको भगा देंगे. Okay? They have made a promise कि 7 साल के अंदर पैसे लौटाएंगे. Okay, so you should know this pressure from them. They have in whatever time they have promised, 7 years, 10 years, 8 years, 5 years. Obviously, they're under pressure to return that money with interest. Okay, जब VC fund को approach करते हो, find out how much runway, how much pressure he is in to give the money. अब ये नहीं जानते हो तो आपको घुमाएगा वो, क्योंकि वो तो जुआरी है. जहाँ 100 रुपए का जुआ लगाना है, वो 10 रुपए का लगाएगा. Okay, you want serious money, you should know the investment thesis, investment funds. वो उनका थियरी क्या है, उनका फिलोसफी क्या है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर वाज अ वेव इन व्हिच एग्रीटेक फंड्स, आप जस्ट एग्रीकल्चर बोलो तो आपको फंड्स मिल रहे थे. अभी जाके एग्रीकल्चर बोलो कोई नहीं मुड़ के देखेगा. एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट वाज सेड कि क्विक डिलीवरी, 10 मिनट में हम सप्लाई करेंगे घर को, हम स्विगी जोमेटो बनाएंगे, उसके लिए पैसे मिलेगा. अभी आपको उसमें पैसे नहीं मिलेगा. So they have an investment thesis, they have a time by which they should return the money, they should. What other than VC funds? Okay, there's something called PE funds, private equity funds. फैमिली फंड्स बोलते हैं. अगेन सेम स्टोरी. जिनके पास बहुत पैसा होता है ना, वो तकिए के नीचे रख के नहीं सोते हैं. दैट इज ब्लैक मनी. आई मीन वी हैव हैड पॉलिटिशियंस हु हैव डन दैट ड्यूरिंग द डीमोनेटाइजेशन. वी हैव सीन वीडियोस अबाउट दैट. उससे कुछ बनता नहीं है. वो हरामी से कमाया हुआ पैसा रखा है जहां रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है. जिसने मेहनत करके कमाया है वो जानता है कि जब मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करूंगा, टैक्स तो नहीं भर रहा हूँ, 25% 30% टैक्स नहीं बन रहा हूँ, लेकिन उसका दुगना तिगुना 10 गुना बनने का चांस है. ओके, प्राइवेट इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स डोंट कम विद द प्रेशर ऑफ VC फंड्स. ओके, दे आर देयर फॉर अ लॉन्गर टर्म. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर मोर सेफ्टी. ओके, देयर आर मेनी मोर टाइप्स, वन ऑफ व्हिच दे कॉल, व्हेन यू लुक एट व्हाट दे कॉल एज अ टर्म शीट, जब आप इन्वेस्टर से बात करते हो, दे साइन, दे कॉल एज CCPS. देते तो है आपको डेट, मतलब लोन देते हैं, लेकिन बोलते हैं अगर तुम्हारा सक्सेस हुआ तो मैं उसको शेयर्स में कन्वर्ट करूंगा. लोन यू रिटर्न विथ इंटरेस्ट, लेकिन इक्विटी शेयर्स जब आप देते हैं उसका 10 गुना 100 गुना दे रहे हैं आप. इक्विटी इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव, डेट इज चीपर. बट डेट में आपको देना पड़ेगा, आपको कोलेटरल देना पड़ेगा, अपना जो भी है उनको प्लेज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, बट इवन दैट देयर इज debts that don't ask for collateral, etc. So money comes to you in various forms. Spend some time, maybe we'll have a session about that. Whatever bank gives you loans today, CGST में government of India says 2 करोड़ या 5 करोड़ तक आपको विदाउट कोलेटरल लोन देंगे. एक टाइम था जब बैंक जाते तो पहले पूछते आपको कोलेटरल क्या है, व्हाट आर यू हाइपोथेटिकेटिंग टू द बैंक, व्हाट आर यू प्लेजिंग टू द बैंक. अभी विदाउट एनी सच गारंटी 5 करोड़ तक आपको देंगे. सोचो एज एन इन्वेस्टर 5 करोड़ लेके क्या कर सकते हैं आप. Many people don't know, हाँ 5 करोड़ मिलेगा तो क्या करूंगा. 1 करोड़ तो खर्चा कर सकता हूँ, दूसरा तीसरा करोड़ कहाँ खर्चा करूँ?
बोले कि नेक्स्ट अप्रैल में और एक लेक्चर है।
ओके सर, टॉपिक्स बहुत हो जाएंगे, बट थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग दैट सर, देयर इज सो मच।
आपका भी एक लेक्चर है अप्रैल में, उसी टाइम में हम लोग हाउ टू मेक ए गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान to attract the funding.
P note is also a type
One form of investment tool,
investment.
sir. So there are many ways to invest money. Okay, because जिसके पास पैसा ज्यादा है, राकेश झुनझुनवाला जैसे लोग, they are looking for ways to invest. But लेकिन पैसे जो जानता है उसका एक धर्म है, पैसे से पैसा बनना है। आप सोचते हो अमीर है इसलिए मुझे पैसा दे रहा है, I'm sorry, that's not a mentality. Okay, पैसे से पैसे बनता है, you should understand that कि आप उससे पैसे बनाओगे। Sir was asking a question of
Yes.
what was my own journey. Thank you.
Sir, मेरा क्वेश्चन था, सर हाउ टू देयर यू एंटर इनटू आफ्टर बिकमिंग ए गवर्नमेंट लीडर, आप क्यों इस फील्ड में आया एंड आपका लाइफ में क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है इस बिजनेस के एग्री सेक्टर में आया, जो कि आपका पास अच्छा पैसा था इसीलिए आप किया
ना
नहीं आपको मोटिवेशन ये थोड़ा मेरा फील बता।
No, I would say गुरु लोग और अच्छे लोग थे सर, small word, but that's all my life. In the sense, you know, I was in the market research industry because I was a rebel. Okay, I wanted to study biological sciences or agriculture sciences. जब मैं agriculture के लिए admission लेने गया, तब पता चला कि family वालों ने नाम, I mean, record से मेरे father का नाम delete कर चुके हैं, because he had a salaried job. And because I had applied as a farmer's son, I didn't get the admission. So my father forced me, बनेगा तो इंजीनियरिंग बनेगा, don't study agriculture, उससे किसी का कुछ बना नहीं है, whatever. आप फोर्स कर रहे हो, आप मेरा पैसा दे रहे हो, इसलिए मैं इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ूंगा, I studied engineering. But I said, जिस दिन मेरा इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट होगा, मैं आपसे पैसे नहीं लूंगा, आप जो कहेंगे मैं सुनूंगा नहीं। Arrogant था. So I started working in the market research industry even in my first year. Because कहाँ पॉकेट मनी मिलता है ले लो. Give me a lot of exposure to how industry works, how people work, how business works, etc. Was in my heart, ठीक है, उस time, that time I had got admission, job in HCL. I refused to do it because market research was comfortable, I did that. But the people who taught me, my gurus, I wasn't going to be senior than them because market research industry बहुत छोटा है. Okay, so also increasingly, my motivation was my grandfather. नाना जी जो थे, हमेशा दिया हुआ हाथ था उनका. कभी किसी से कुछ मांगे नहीं थे, including us. बच्चे थे तो we would not understand. आपका घर कितना बड़ा है पूछते थे, गांव में तो अपना बड़ा घर है, बेंगलोर में छोटा घर है, लेकिन हमको लगता है कि वही बड़ा घर है. We never aspire for a big house like in a village. At that time he had the curiosity to ask, newspaper का एक टुकड़ा में लेके रोहिणी सैटेलाइट जब लॉन्च हुआ था, ये क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इससे क्या हुआ, he was discussing with that. Coincidentally, my father had worked on that, and so he wanted to know from me what had happened. My father had taken there, which is where my scientific inclination comes from childhood. I said, look, बनना है तो मैं नाना जी से बनना, किया हुआ हाथ रहना चाहिए, लिया हुआ हाथ नहीं रहना चाहिए. So when I did agriculture, I was a stupid fool who knew nothing. इसलिए I said the first part name होते हैं. Okay, मुझे एग्रीकल्चर का स्पेलिंग अच्छा से आता था, एग्रीकल्चर क्या है मालूम नहीं था, कभी किया नहीं था, मिट्टी में हाथ नहीं लगाया था. 2 years when I realized family में ये है, I tried to do around Bangalore. I told my friends, सपने दिया, मेरा खेत है, ले लो, कर लो, etc. In 2 years I lost money. No agriculture. I realized कि labor wages दूंगा, मेरा आना जाने का खर्चा नहीं मिलेगा मुझे. So I gave it up and I started a computer company because that time computers were big. Crystal Technologies बोल के शुरू किया था. We were running and doing good. मुझे एक मौका मिला जहाँ बेलगाम में केली सोसाइटी बोल के जो है उनके लिए कंप्यूटर्स बेचा मैंने. But being the person by now you will realize बातें बहुत करता हूँ. I spoke to them of why as an institution उन्होंने किसान के लिए कुछ नहीं किया है. That was the time GATT and WTO चल रहा था, जहाँ बात था कि छोटा किसान दब जाएगा, बिक जाएगा, world giants will come and rule us. So that time I said, farmers' children should do agriculture and should go back to the farm, not a government degree where they'll search more jobs. मेरी खुशी के लिए Harvard Agriculture University, which was local, supported me a lot. The then vice chancellor, etc., gave me a lot of chance. जहाँ school sustainable रखने के लिए, we were the first private sector agriculture school. पैसा कौन देगा, कैसे चलेगा? तो vice chancellor supported us. हम लूंगा, गलती होगा अगर नहीं लिया तो डॉक्टर एस ए पाटिल feeder seed production सिखाया हमको. We did feeder seed multiplication for them. There I learned the actual things of the crop like a breeder. सोयाबीन और ग्राउंडनट पे बहुत काम किया है, आलू पे बहुत काम किया है, शुगर केन के बहुत काम किया है.
Very good.
Farmers. Thank you, sir. I learned the science of agriculture there, but doing it, I learned. यूनिवर्सिटी में जो काम हो रहा है वो उसको इंडस्ट्री को पता नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री क्या चाहता है वो किसान को पता नहीं है. The gap between these three people, which is when I started my work, and frankly, I didn't want to be a teacher in the school, and I could have impacted 10 families, 100 families, 1,000 families, but real impact ke liye come back to the corporate life, come back to the policy making level and work, which is where I work with ICR, which is where I work with many of the corporates, be it the Murugappa Group and many places. Where we did the hydrogel and things like that, because we need big investments. छोटे से काम नहीं चलेगा. 10 गांव बदलने से या 10 फैमिलीज बदलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. देश बदलना चाहिए.
यस करेक्ट. सर आपने एग्रीकल्चर कहाँ से कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी में कंप्लीट किया?
एग्रीकल्चर में पढ़ा ही नहीं.
अच्छा, ओके.
मैं okay, I studied agriculture otherwise, sort of my interest in multiple places.
ओके. हमने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एग्रीकल्चर में किया है कोकण कृषि विद्यापीठ में. अभी हम भूमाता, गौ माता और ह्यूमन हेल्थ पर काम कर रहा हूँ. आपने बहुत अच्छा लेक्चर दिया. मराठी में बोलते हैं ना, अपयश ही यशाची पहिली पायरी आहे. और दूसरा है, दुःखाचा डोंगर ओलांडल्याशिवाय सुखाची हिरवळ दिसत नाही. जो न्यू इंटरप्रेनर है ना. हेलो.
मराठी कळतोय, बोलायला येत नाही.
अच्छा, ओके.
I've learned this much.
जो न्यू इंटरप्रेनर है ना, उसके फेल्योर आएगा, लेकिन जब वो रिसर्च करेगा और बहुत ट्राई करेगा तो सक्सेस होगा ही होगा, है ना.
हाँ.
अभी पूरे वर्ल्ड में, इंडिया में कैंसर के पेशेंट बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं. तो हमने जो अभी न्यू इनोवेटिव आइडिया किया है, अमृत बूस्टर हर्बल कैटल फीड, हम पूरे इंडिया में शुरुआत किया है देना. तो जो सॉइल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है, ह्यूमन हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है, और दूसरा काऊ का जो मिल्क मिलता है पीने के लिए, उसमें बहुत जहर है, मिला हुआ जहर है. तो
ठीक है
उसके
सर, क्वेश्चन विल कम टू यू अगेन. फास्ट, एनीबॉडी हैज एनी क्वेश्चन हियर आप बताएं.
I'll speak to you थोड़ी देर में. हाँ.
इधर एनीबॉडी हैव एनी क्वेश्चन? डॉक्टर मूर्ति,
Any
you have some
from online side, any question?
I
is
have
there?
a question. Yeah, I have one
question.
question.
Start हो जाएंगे.
First introduce yourself, then ask question, please.
Yeah, hi, I'm Vaishnavi. I was part of the cohort last year. I was working on a women's undergarments product. My question is actually that as a startup, you said VCs are a bad idea, and nobody said that to me, but that has been my personal opinion as well. So let's talk about angel investors. To start with the business, I need some pre-seed funding so that I can, build a few prototypes, do a little bit of market testing and stuff. I don't have any family or friends or personal funding that can back me up. So the next option was to ask someone who can, invest. Now, in these cases, we don't have any sales projection, right? There's no already done business or revenue generated. There's only an idea and your preparation of executing it. I've made all the documents from pitch decks to financial models and stuff. In this case, what is the situation with evaluation is that people ask for absurd amounts, right? Like I've had people asking me for like 70%, 80% of the equity. And like you said,
मैडम, अरे बोलते रहे. आपका
Please,
क्वेश्चन?
please.
yeah, that is the question. That is the question. That in this case, when we get such demands, in terms of evaluation, how can we tackle that? Do you have any advice on that?
See, like this, जब आप VC funds get invested in multiple rounds बोलते हैं. पहला राउंड जो होता है सीड राउंड बोलते हैं. छोटा सा अमाउंट देंगे आपको, 1 करोड़, 2 करोड़, 5 करोड़, 10 करोड़ तक सीड फंड बोलते हैं. कभी कभी 20 भी दे देते हैं. बट सीड राउंड इज गिवन फॉर योर फेस. आपका चेहरे देख के पैसे देंगे, आपके ऊपर विश्वास करेंगे तो देंगे. घोड़ा देख के देंगे. घोड़े के बाद दे विल सी घोड़े पे कौन सवार है. योर आइडिया गॉट द मनी, योर फेस गॉट द मनी, योर एग्जीक्यूशन इज व्हाट गेट्स यू सीरीज ए. सीड राउंड के बाद सीरीज ए राउंड देते हैं, फिर सीरीज बी, सीरीज सी, सीरीज डी बोल के एक एक राउंड देते हैं वेयर वैल्यूएशन इंक्रीजेस. आफ्टर सीड राउंड यू शुड शो ट्रैक्शन. You cannot say कि I cannot use sales projection. आपको
No, I'm talking about pre-seed and seed stage only.
Pre-seed.
we will
She is
be
asking
part.
that na 70%, 80% return, they are asking how to tackle that one.
Forget about it. They will want 100% return. They will want 200% return. Okay.
Hmm.
Well, otherwise, why they should give you money?
Hmm.
Because जुआरी है तो वो जुआरी I mean
No, not
gamble ही
VCs.
करता
So, not VCs, individual angel investors. When we approach them for pre-seed or seed stage, where there's no sales अभी आने वाले हैं, तो वो पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे हमें एक उनको फाइनेंशियल मॉडल देना होता है जिसमें सेल्स प्रोजेक्शन कुछ आपको देना होता है कि जब प्रोडक्ट सक्सेसफुली है मार्केट लॉन्च के लिए तो हम लोग इतना इतना सेल अचीव करेंगे एंड दे यूजुअली इट्स अ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट इज सपोज्ड टू बी वैलिड बट दे यूजुअली जस्ट डिसमिस इट एंड से कि हमको अभी अभी तो सेल नहीं है तो आप इतना इवैल्यूएशन कैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई से आई हैव अ प्रोडक्ट टुडे I have built the prototype, it's successful. I only need the money, so I can start with launching a few products and see how the sale goes. So that's the first time the product will get introduced to the market. And at this point, I say for 1 year, I need say 20 lakhs, and I will do a revenue of 1 crore. And this is the number. And they would at that point of time, that's all I can give, right? Assumption, an estimate. But what they ask for is that if there is no actual sale or actual traction, then they take that as a advantage plan. They ask for more equity, more returns. So
I got where you are having the problem. So I'll tell you like this. See, he is a serious investor, but he is using your ignorance, which is दे तो रहा है आपको 20 लाख and you are saying उसको 1 करोड़ का बिजनेस करा के आप उनको देंगे, which is very clear or profitability focused. VC funds are not profitably focused. Okay, he liked you, that's why he made you an offer. He is very clear. उसको पैसा 10 गुना करना है. उसने 20 लाख दिया है तो 2 करोड़ वापस चाहता है वो. And you should give it in the form of equity only. If you don't understand the equity game, you are not doing the startup. Equity जो बोलते हैं, it grows exponentially. Future, you should be building a Burj Khalifa. अगर आप बोल रहे हैं मैं बंगलो बना रहा हूँ, they will not give you the money because बंगलो में तो आप आराम से जी लोगे. उसका क्या होगा? 20 लाख दे के उसको I mean 40 लाख भी वापस देंगे तो उसका क्या बनेगा? He is looking at making 2 crores.
वो एक्सपोनेंशियल और जीपीएपी का फॉर्मूला उनको लगता है.
बिल्कुल. Okay. So think about how you want to scale. We'll take on a one-on-one separate. I will be contactable. Please be in touch with Dr. Ashok. I'll explain to you how you should pitch this.
Okay, we can take up next question if anybody else is there.
Any other questions from startups?
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. दो पार्टी हमारे ग्रुप में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन परसेंटेज कितना देना चाहिए?
इक्विटी परसेंटेज आप देते हैं सीड राउंड में 5% से ऊपर नहीं देना है.
ओके, 5%. ओके,
बहुत बार मांगने वाला भी नहीं जानता कि क्या मांगे.
ओके ओके
ओके, 5% से ज्यादा नहीं देना चाहिए.
Okay, next question please.
ओके ओके ओके.
Hello, any question from your startup?
Okay. Basically, if we see in the agriculture sector, most of the startups which are coming, they are trying to
Sir, I have a question.
IT.
My name is Ganesh.
Just hold on for a second.
Hold on for a minute.
IT enabled services they are trying to provide, and those things are only picking up. Actual technology based startups. So, what is the probability for them to succeed or come up?
Okay, I will go into a little technical subject. I told sir there's something changing in India, and all of us should be aware of this.
ONDC and
ONDC and OCEN बोल के.
Okay.
So India is changing fast. We are working on what they call as digital public infrastructure. जैसे आप you already experience UPI. कोई भी बैंक से किसी आदमी को किसी फोन नंबर से you can make a payment. Like that, दो technologies India is bringing. One already in the market. One more will be in the market very shortly. It's already being experimented. ONDC जो बोलते हैं Open Network Digital Commerce. पहले कुछ चीज बेचना होता तो you had to go to Amazon or Flipkart or a distribution channel. जहाँ बड़ा मार्जिन देने से they would sell your innovation. Though you had a great biofertilizer or a great product, it would never reach the farmer. वो बीज के पैसे ले लेते and बीज का अपना रिस्क लेते, अपना रिवॉर्ड लेते. They were not working for you. But ONDC makes it open, जहाँ anybody can sell to anybody, and anybody will buy from anybody. A little again, that will be a subject we'll speak about, but it makes it open. You don't need to be a software engineer. You don't need big infrastructure. You don't need a lot of facilities. You don't need to bother कि ठीक है, उसने तो खरीद लिया मेरा न्यूट्री मिलेट्स फ्रॉम मी, लेकिन हाउ विल इट गेट डिलीवर्ड? ओएनडीसी प्रोवाइड्स कि ऑटोमेटिकली माल आपसे घर से पिकअप कर हो जाएगा, वहां डिलीवर भी हो जाएगा. Similarly, you don't have to bother about how the payment will come. Payment will come automatically to your bank. You don't have to bother about creating any digital infrastructure for receiving payments, etc. There is a dispute resolution mechanism. जब भी मैं माल लेता हूँ, one customer will be unsatisfied. कोई तो झगड़ा शुरू करेगा. They have that. Many things. Backend protocol, ONDC, OCEN जो बोलते हैं. The OCEN a little about is open credit enable network. Okay, MSME, SME और स्टार्टअप्स जो है सबको वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट है. दे डोंट वांट कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. रोज का धंधा, आज मैं 1000 रुपए का चीज खरीदूंगा, 1500 में बेचूंगा, मेरा 500 रुपए प्रॉफिट है, 200 रुपए का खर्चा है, तो 300 रुपए मेरे लिए बचता है. बट इफ यू डू बिजनेस एथिकली एंड करेक्टली थ्रू बाय पेइंग जीएसटी, बिकॉज यू आर पेइंग जीएसटी, द बैंक्स विल कम एंड गिव यू मनी. जो आप धंधा कर रहे हैं, नाउ 9 out of 10 startups that I ask, they say yes sir, हम बेचे. जीएसटी दिखाओ भाई, कुछ नहीं है दिखाने के लिए. ओके, सो जस्ट बिकॉज कैश फ्लो बेस्ड लेंडिंग जो बोलते हैं, वन ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, अगर आप टैक्स भर रहे हैं तो गवर्नमेंट विल गिव यू मनी. यू डोंट नीड कोलैटरल. 5 करोड़ तक तो सीजीएसटीएमई में विदाउट कोलैटरल दे रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर जीएसटी बेस्ड फंडिंग आपने बेचा है, इसीलिए आपको पैसे मिलेगा. Okay, this is what will make all the SMEs and MSMEs and small startups and whatever else work with it. So please, जब भी आप कहते हैं कि you are in market and you are sold, GST bill भरो. That shows that you are a profit making. I learned this lesson hard way around when I wanted to buy a house. भाई आपने टैक्स भरा है? मैं बोला मैं एग्रीकल्चर में हूँ, टैक्स भरता नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, तो होम लोन के लिए मना कर दिए. Don't look down against taxes. थोड़ा तो टैक्स भरो ताकि they know that you are a productive citizen. And they will invest back in you. बहुत बार मैंने ये बात सुना है कि हम टैक्स पे करते मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. But that's because you're a salaried employee and an old philosophy still exists. But as a businessman, if you pay taxes, you will get the returns.
Okay, we can take next. Anyone else having
Well,
any question? Somebody wanted from online to ask a question. Please ask now.
Yes, sir. This is Ganesh speaking from FarmGirl. We are a startup in Bengaluru. Sir, what is the right way to get valuated, and what is the right stage to get valuated according to you? And who are the right valuators for such startups which are in the agriculture and secondary agriculture sector?
Good question. I'll give you a complicated answer in one paragraph, not one sentence, please. See, देखो, first value is subjective. कि value जब हम बोलते हैं, मैंने कुछ बनाया है, okay? Let's say strong coffee. कोई 10 रुपए देके पिएगा उसको, कोई 100 रुपए देके पिएगा at certain place, कोई 300 रुपए देके कैफे कॉफी डे और स्टारबक्स में पिएगा. Value is subjective, please remember that. Valuation is a subjective of the subjective thing. It's an assumption on the assumption thing. So there is no science, there is no right man to do that for you. जो आपका कहानी खरीदेगा, वो वैल्यू देगा आपको. मुझे लगता है कि आप 1 करोड़ वर्थ हो, मुझे लगता है कि आप 100 करोड़ वर्थ हो, मुझे लगता है कि आप 1000 करोड़ वर्थ हो, so they are giving it. So it's a very subjective thing. You need to spend time with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, then you will get your valuation. Because 15 people can't be wrong. Okay, so don't search for one man who will give you that answer or one professional who will give you that answer. Please remember economics का basic principle. जो मेरे जेब में है, that's very valuable. जो लेना है वो valuable है. So जब as a startup you're asking पैसा दो, you are giving importance to his money. And he, जिसके जेब में पैसा है, he is saying कि this is more valuable. मुझे नहीं देना है तुमको. If your कहानी is सच्चा, if your कहानी is strong, ले भाई पैसा तेरा. He'll give it to you. So build a good story, go to them, say of the future. Don't talk of the past, don't talk of your traction, sales, your track record, etc. दुनिया कैसे बदलेगा, देश कैसा बदलेगा, किसान कैसे बदलेगा, how life 10 years down the line will be different. You say that, then he'll give you more money. I hope I've answered your question, please.
No, I think he's asking, is there any agency in the market?
No, there are no agencies. And if there is any such, don't believe them, please. Because वो बिचौलियां हैं जो अपने पैसे बनाना चाहते हैं. Okay. They are not committed to you. है लोग ऐसे, because they know 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़, because बहुत लोगों के पास ऐसा है, आपको 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़ ले लेंगे, आप समुद्र में तैरो डूबो, आपकी मर्जी भाई. We don't bother about you. So don't get locked into one person. But this language जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आपको सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. Don't trust anyone about that. जब तक आप you are not informed about money, don't trust anybody else advising you about money unless he's made 1,000 crores.
Okay, and any other
Thank you,
question
sir.
from online? Okay,
Hello,
meantime,
sir.
yeah, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Sunil Bhalerao. Sir, I am one of the incubatee. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि अभी आपने कहा था कि ये जो ऑनलाइन मार्केट प्लेस है जहाँ पर अभी डायरेक्टली चीजें खरीदी और बेची जाती है, तो वैसा मार्केट प्लेस हम फ्यूचर में लाइव एनिमल्स के लिए कर सकते हैं क्या, जो विद इन द
नहीं।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट?
Nahi. Sorry, I will tell that little bluntly and brutally because any mall who, at least I know 3 startups which have tried to sell cattle online. Okay, गांव में एक कहावत है, भैंस को तालाब में डुबा के रखा था और उसका व्यापार करने गया था. You never know the animal. Animal has a short life. There are too many technical details to know in that.
Okay.
Online is not yet ready for cattle trade, at least in India.
Okay, we can take next question. Next question. Okay.
Hello,
if
sir.
no- Yeah, please, go ahead.
I'm Indumati from Tamil Nadu. First, I introduce myself with my startup. We are doing a biodegradable teacups using the extracted bud chip, that is the remaining part of the sugarcane stalk, except this bud. Those who see our product are very eagerly responding positively, but we are not receiving any orders. So, how to feel that it is a good, how shall I take it forward, or whether I want to stop it here?
So it purely, again, I said, being an entrepreneur is a judgment for yourself. Many ideas look stupid today,
Okay.
but you should have belief in yourself. You should work in a way that it becomes the idea that changes the world. Like I told you, flying in an aeroplane was dangerous, but today everybody does it. Sitting in a car was dangerous. Today everybody sits in a car. Today ideas may look stupid, not investable, etc. Once upon a time, doing an electric bulb was dangerous because people would get shocked and they would die. The first use of electricity was to kill convicts. Electricity was dangerous. So many things may sound stupid today. Don't give up, please, because I believe we should be responsible to the environment. Biodegradable things, biodegradable cups are necessary. But please remember, the journey between technology and making money is a very long and painful one. Many people die in that. I would like to share one particular slide of how the first smartphone was thought of in 1953. The person spoke and created mentally a smartphone in 1953. लेकिन बना ही smartphone came first in 1990. इतने साल लग गए. मतलब the person who had an idea never saw any money in his life. शायद आप पैसे नहीं बनाओगे. Okay, out of that idea. लेकिन इतना तो आपको कैपेसिटी चाहिए. That's what the work I do about technology commercialization. आपके आइडिया से आप कैसे पैसे बना सकते हो? आइडिया बेचो, प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए मत जाओ. आज अगर आप डिस्पोजेबल कप बेचने जाओगे तो ठीक है यार, अच्छा है, मुझे 10 दे दो.
The benefit is, after using it, these can be used as a cattle feed or a feed for animals in the coastal area or in the forest.
No, and it's important you ask yourself this question. Okay, do they need it? Are they willing to pay for it?
So, on request, I don't understand Hindi. Please reply in English.
He replied in English only.
No.
Yeah.
Important thing for you to focus is, do people really need disposable cup every day? I need once in a year is not the solution.
Okay.
Because your business will not happen if I buy once in a year. I should buy 1 cup every day. Am I willing to buy 1 disposable cup every day?
Yeah.
No, I prefer to use a steel cup in my house. And even though it's paper cup, I will not buy 1 paper cup every day. So don't come under the assumption that I have sold 1, 2, so the world will change, life will change.
Okay, we can go to the next question. Okay.
Sir was asking.
Yes, Dr. Shanmugam, you have any question?
Okay. One thing was, okay, somebody asked you, the valuation, actually, it is very subjective. We all know that somebody decides, you decide my value of my company. Is there, I mean, when this concept started and why nobody attempted to make it an objective? I mean,
Startup
at least the research side.
Box எடுத்து வச்சுட்டு போயிட்டாங்க.
Mute it.
So, valuation really came from entrepreneurs, okay, who believe in the future there will be value, okay, and they're taking a wild guess in a wild bet. There is no science to this. but there's a deep belief that in that story, in that product, in that key, something will change out of that. How much? Nobody knows. Somebody will believe 10% of the world will believe change. Somebody will believe 50% of the world will change. Somebody will believe nothing will change. So the one who is saying nothing will change will not give you value. The one who believes. So that's where the first part of the value is important. Mere innovation say they should make value. Then he will set a value to my value, my innovation.
No,
I
in the
cannot.
sense, my question was, I am as a startup, I come for investing from you are investor. I come for that, I promote my company to get some fund from you. So, I mean, you decide the valuation, you decide that this is the valuation of this company, so this much I can invest. So how you arrive at value? Even, okay, whatever you have some mindset, I mean, investor, what are things he looks for as an investor? Okay, he decides this is the value of the company. So those points I want.
He looks at only one thing, returns. मुझे क्या मिलेगा? He's not looking at you and your value and whatever else. And he's risking it. Everybody looks at risk and reward.
Absolutely.
Okay, I valued your technology at 1 crore. Okay, I'm looking 1 crore is an affordable loss to me. मतलब 1 crore आपको दिया and you fail. Then मेरा नुकसान नहीं होना चाहिए. 1 crore दिया, 100 crore बन गया. I'm interested in the reward. So the investor is only looking at a risk reward ratio. कितना risk है? What is the chance that you'll fail? What is the chance that you'll succeed? If your chances of success are very high, forget 1 crore, I'll give you 2 crores because I know उतना reward आएगा मुझे.
Okay.
And the second question is,
Sir, I have a query.
Please hold on, please hold on.
Just hold on, there's a question here, please.
you talked about employee stock option in the perspective of a owner or a startup. Now, I mean, classic case is my daughter is working in a startup company. She got an offering, this much stock percentage, this much salary hike, 20% salary hike, this much stock hike. Now she is asking question, which we should adopt. I said, I mean, employee will like to take stock and futuristic it will go up, then go up. But the question was different. I am getting this much salary. By adding this much salary, she wants to go to another company. So that she will say, I am getting 1.2 lakhs, so that I will get more money. So I don't want to worry about that. Ready to
Stock
take
option.
this stock.
Absolutely. Rightfully so. So again, it's a judgment you make. Okay. I told you, stock game is played by juari, gamblers. Okay. मुझे 10 गुना lottery निकालना है. So if the company succeeds, and this is the way to think for the employee, मेरे contribution के कारण the company will grow, then I will take the stock option because the company will grow and I will get my stock. You have to do your homework on the company because that's the way companies cheat founders or the employees. Okay, बड़ा salary नहीं देंगे. These people want big salary. ESOPs देंगे. दिया तो दिया, नहीं तो दिया, नहीं दिया because there are very legal terms they have written that it's vested. 5 साल बाद there will be thing. If the company grows, you get it. So it's a way to cheat employees. Get careful. I did use this because I don't want any other startup to misuse this. But also to be careful because smart people come to you, work on your idea, take your idea, go out and work. So please learn about how ESOPs are given and how you should use it, etc. Because these are complex modern management tools by which Burj Khalifa gets built. Because I do something, my company, my idea, I did everything else, but उसने idea लिया and he went somewhere else and implemented the same thing. So the way to stop it is, A, I won't give you a big salary. 2, I give you an ESOP so that you have got your returns for having done the work.
Okay. Yes, from online, Mr. Omkar wanted to ask something.
Omkar Babu.
Hi, sir. Hi. Hi, sir. My name is Dr. Omkar. So we have a startup called as Hornet Biologicals, which is working on genomics and biotechnology solutions in veterinary, sir, basically. Okay. So I have a query, sir, here. Since biotechnology, it is a what you call finance intensive subject, right? And it takes maybe 3 to 4 years to come out with a tangible product, right? So just wanted to understand as a startup, how can we sustain in the event where the finances are limited or where the investors are limited in this particular sector?
So you have to do some revenue generation activity. Look, research cannot be your career in private sector. You want to do research and you want luxury and time and comfort, get and work with the government sector. If you want to do it in the private sector, some revenue generation activity that money comes out. Parallelly, you do your research, no problem. but something that's required in the market. Since it's a very specific question, I'd like to take it offline and answer. I've known many startups in the biotechnology field. Not just that it requires a lot of money, there's a lot of regulation you have to clear. Okay, so your growth, if you do a certain something in 3 years, I'll be the happiest person. I've seen that it takes 10 years or 15 years to make something.
Yes, yes.
And that's okay. That's okay. But you need the patience, and like I said, वो पैसा अलग से आएगा. You won't get a 1800 crores or 1400 crores in 18 months, etc. No. 300 crores in 18 months, no, that won't happen. You won't get huge money like that. Okay, in biotechnology, please, it's a long journey because it's legally regulated. You will not be able to make money easily. But plan कि मैं मैराथन भाग रहा हूं तो मेरा तैयारी ये रहेगा. 100-meter race भाग रहा हूं, software startup कर रहा हूं. This should be my तैयारी and I will make it. In biotechnology, it has to be different.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Please connect offline. I will be more.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And one thing, one point I would like to correct, government sector also revenue generation has been made mandatory.
That was the past I was saying, sir.
Government organization also we have target. Okay. Any other question from online participants?
अंडियन जी आप कुछ पूछ रहे हैं क्या?
Pandian, do you want to ask anything, because so many startups and entrepreneurs are contacting you on regular basis? Okay, I think he's not there.
Oh,
Okay,
March.
I think Dr. Ashok, we can
हाँ, कौन
we can
सर?
wind it up.
हाँ,
नहीं, मेरा सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए.
Yes. It will be last question, huh?
तो पूरे इंडिया में 1,55,516 पोस्ट ऑफिसेस है. तो हमको पूरा इंडिया में अपना पहुंचना है, तो कैसे पहुंचना चाहिए?
See, though there is an articulated program कि post office should support rural distribution, बहुत लोग मैं बैंगलोर में ट्राई किया, and सर
Okay.
पेंशन मिलेगा, सैलरी मिलता है, क्यों दूसरा काम दे रहे हो? So you know, at local level, people are not yet ready for it. For the world to change, it takes time. For post office to change, it will take time. Though the government has announced कि post office use कर सकते हो, it's not very easy. But ONDC will change. Please be ready for that and see. Another session we'll talk about it.
Okay. Yeah, please. Vote of thanks. Station of the speaker.
Size ये.
Size will be 42.
Very likely.
सर, बोल दीजिए उसके बारे में. ये जो product हम.
So now I request our director to give the token as a token of our love, naturally colored cotton fiber based jacket, which have been made by our institute
Without using any dye.
It's an eco-friendly product. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. Ashok Kumar to give a vote of thanks.
हाँ, ये mic है ना? ये. Speak people talk, right?
Sir, in centenary lecture, our director always inspired us. You bring some people or you arrange some lecture which could be some benefit for us. Okay. So taking into that instruction from our director, we are just analyzing the lectures and where our people, where our startups and where our scientists will benefit. So that we are bringing that type of lectures so that we will learn in during this process, because we are putting our energy and time here. Thank you, sir, giving this opportunity, our director, sir. And apart from that, our IPTM unit under the leadership of our new ADG is always pressure advising us, you do something so that your technology should go from lab to land. Dr. Niru Bhushan, he is always sensitizing the CIRCOT, institute like CIRCOT, who are the forerunner in the ICR system, and other CI Bhopal, Engineering Institute, and IRA obvious. So we are arranging such type of lecture. That's why you are keep on informing them. In review, they are also texting me, asking me what type of lecture you have arranged. If I will tell them that this is the lecture, they are also saying this lecture is not sufficient for a startup and these things. I hope today lecture it is very much beneficial for everybody. So I thank to Jagdish Sundar sir because he is our CIC member. When he was in our CIC, I just learned from him how he is analyzing our startups for evaluation. Whether the startup will go ahead. From that I learned and I have bring him that he should come to our giving this type of lecture to our startups and as well as scientists. And thanks to all startups who are joined to learn, but many more questions I expect from you, what you are not asking, but later on we will discuss all these things. And overall our circuitarians, scientific staffs and all technical officers and administrative staffs who are joined here physically or through virtual mode. And our staffs who are involved in the IPTM unit of our ABI, ITMU and RABI, they are also very much encouraging doing these things. Overall, I thanks to everybody and thanks to AKMU to arranging because some of the technical glitch is there. Anyhow, Himanshu and their team as giving us support. Overall, I thanks and we are looking for such type of lecture in future because this is our centenary year. We are going to end after our 3rd December in 2024. So I hope again in sir, we are inviting you for again another lecture where we are going to very practically discuss our investment plan, who can investment, what is the government program, what is ONDC, all these things we will discuss in month of April for a very either maybe 1 or 2 day lecture, but it should be educate us. Thank you everybody.
Thank you. Thanks a lot from my side also for a very encouraging and motivational speech.
Thank you so much. I said